This is Rajesh, and this is a picture of him when he graduated a few years ago. To talk about Rajesh, he was like most of you. He spent his last many days of college attending countless placement drives and job interviews. Rajesh was a very active student at college and was well liked by everyone. But, like many of you, even he couldn't find a job. One day, he came to know about Inzpira. He immediately joined the most powerful sales fellowship program. In a matter of just 3 months, Rajesh got to learn complete sales training. He got advanced sales tools training. Not just that, he even got soft skills, leadership and communication training. And, importantly, real-world practice and simulations. At the end of the program, with Inzpira's 100% placement assistance, he finally got placed. Today, Rajesh is working in a famous MNC and he earns more than 5 lakhs per annum. Just like how we helped Rajesh, we want to help you. Why wait? Join Inzpira now.